Welcome to Will It Track? Will the remote drone ID track a drone and its operator within a 3-kilometer radius? Let's find out.
This is the Remote Drone ID 2.0, which is able to track a drone as well as its pilot location anywhere in a 3-kilometer radius, 360 degrees. And as you can see here, we have this alarm zone that's over to the north, and we're saying, okay, we want to alarm on anything that pops up. Now, as we can see here, the drone just barely launched, and you can see it's right over the operator. Now we have an icon that shows the operator. See a little person there on that crosshairs, and then you have a drone icon that shows the position of the drone. Now it's tagged hostile, which means it's all red. We know this is a drone that we need to do something about. With this, you can see that it was over 750 meters away when it first popped up. RDID is able to give you a significant heads up alert of what's coming, what's approaching, so you can do something about it. If you're waiting till you can hear it or you're waiting to see it, it's too late.